my first altercation happened before I went to Beto.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when I came from the county, I went to a transfer unit first.
Okay.
Transfer unit is like a holding facility for the prison
Oh, okay.
where you classified in and all that type of stuff.
But it's prison. It's not jail.
Yeah, it's prison though. It's part of prison,
Okay.
but prison holdover. And this the setup is there is like you in a dorm environment.
Okay.
And they got like 50 beds in there, 50-man dorm.
Uh-huh.
And I used to like playing dominoes when I first got locked up.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I was sitting at the domino table playing dominoes with the cats one time. And you know, when you getting hype and the game getting good,
Uh-huh.
so I'm like, man, put Twitter on the bitch ass. Woo, woo.
Yeah.
So one of this cat that was playing in front of me,
Uh-huh.
saying he was like about 38. He was like, say, youngster, I ain't gonna be too many of your bitches and hoes, man. Gonna keep that down. I said, man, I don't mean nothing by it, man. We just playing dominoes,
Yeah.
having
This is how I talk.
shit, you know, it ain't nothing. I don't mean it ain't nothing personal.
Yeah.
So he was like, all right, I'm just telling you. I was like, all right, man. So shaking him back up, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Game get tight. You know what I'm saying? I really forgot about what he's saying. I'm just caught up in the game.
Yeah.
So I said, what the judge tell you? All rise, bitch ass nigga. But I showed all the dominoes, I'm saying, boom, ding, ding, dominoes. Youngster, I told you I ain't finna be none of you bitches and hoes. Woo, woo, woo. So he coming after me, but his homeboy grabbed him. Oh man, he ain't mean nothing about that, man. Woo, 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 woo.
Yeah.
So I'm talking noise. I'm like, man, F you, man. Woo, woo. Man, about 6'1", about 220, because he got a little weight on him.
Okay.
I weigh 130. Five talking noise. Yeah. So they said, all right, youngster, you keep on talking, we're gonna let him go.
Yeah.
Man, fuck it, let his ass go. When they let that dude go, boy, he caught me with a two-piece so hard.
Ooh.
Hard as I ever been hit in my life. I know what they mean when they say you see stars.
Really?
Everything went pitch black, and I just seen a little white dot. Ding, ding, ding.
Ooh. That's all he did was he didn't jump on you and start whooping you. He just two-pieced you.
He didn't drop me. He almost dropped
Oh,
me.
okay.
But when I'm stumbling, I'm really trying to stumble all the way away from him. I'm trying to put some distance between. But I didn't fall though. I'm just stumbling away. So when I get my marbles back, you know what I'm saying? I ain't finna just tell her, hey man, I don't want no more. I don't want no
Yeah,
more.
yeah, yeah. I'm good.
You can't do that. You
Yeah.
know, so I gotta goddamn be gone, get my ass kicked out of it. Bring your bitch ass on now.
Yeah.
But in my mind, I'm thinking like, damn, I can't take no more one of them. Like,
Oh man. So you
so so I'm like, I gotta be smart now.
yeah.
He got some power behind his punching. So I threw a dummy out there, whoop. And then I know he already mad, so he just rushed.
Yeah.
When I flinched like I'm finna punch him, he rushed. So when he rushed, I sidestepped and caught him. Boom, boom with a.
Uh,
But my legs really not phasing him like that.
okay.
Like I'm down or nothing.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
But when you get hit, you still gonna, you know what I'm saying? You still gonna
Uh-huh.
reaction.
Yeah.
Good reaction. So he just rushed me and just put it down and grabbed me.
Uh-huh.
Got me in some kind of hole I couldn't get out of. So I'm like, all right, nigga, you gonna kill me, woo woo. You know, man, I'm talking shit. But
Yeah.
really, yeah, this thing really choking shit out of me. Damn. But anyway, if you go, man. But that was my first encounter.
Oh,
But
okay.
it taught me a valuable lesson, man. Number one, watch my mouth up in her.
Yeah.
Two, you better be prepared for these dudes, man. Cause
Yeah.
these dudes But you know what I'm saying? Because he had already
Mhm.
been locked up like 8 years.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. You fresh.
That was my first encounter right there with, you know what I'm saying, having a
Yeah.
fight and stuff
Wow.
over domino game. And that really broke me up from liking it. I didn't like domino no more after that.
I mean, because it's a game where you're supposed to talk noise. You know what I'm saying? Like if you can't talk noise and cats getting all sensitive, then it make you not want to play. You
I
know?
didn't like those no more.
Yeah. Yeah. Shit. So,
They take it serious. Right?
huh?
They were taking dominoes too serious.
Hey, it's like a spade game, baby. For women, you take dominoes serious, man. Hey, so in there, like, what kind of noises do you hear at night, man? Like, can you even get a good night's sleep in that place?
Yeah, you can. You man, be honest, you get used to the noise and you be able to sleep through that.
Okay.
But some of the most disturbing noises that I heard have been, like, man, I ain't lying. One dude that I came on Beto with
Uh-huh.
on the train bus on the Bluebird. Uh, he stayed he stayed right above me in the cell above me. I got 3 chairs,
Okay.
and he stayed on the third chair. I stayed on the second chair, and I heard him one night getting raped, man.
Oh wow.
Uh, like, man, leave me alone. No, man, no, don't leave me alone. Then he's like, I heard the nigga like, nah, nigga, shut up, woo, woo. Know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Damn. How? So what kind of screams does a man getting raped make?
Nah, he wasn't screaming because he don't really want nobody to know this happened
Oh, okay. I see.
because I was so close.
Uh-huh.
You know, people in that vicinity probably could hear him.
Oh, okay.
And hey, you just know what's going on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's wild, bro. That's wild, man. Did you look at him the same after that? Could you?
Really, I didn't, man.
Yeah.
Really, he was a cool dude and everything, but and then he was just one of them guys. He ain't built like that. I didn't stop talking to him and nothing like that, but I looked at him different because I was like,
Mhm.
even though you ain't built like that, it's just certain things, man, you gotta fight for, man. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Manhood.
Mhm.
It don't
So
matter if dude beat you up or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You don't
was that the
you
only time, or did it happen more after that?
nah, it happened several times to several guys.
Yeah.
And people think that like white guys and stuff like that, the only one to get took advantage of and stuff like that in prison. Nah, it'd be black guys too.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Yeah, man. Uh, any any like drug deals going on in prison and stuff like that? I mean, I hear that, that might be something else that's sensationalized. I don't know.
You know, in prison we call the like the outside world the world.
Yeah.
And prison is a different world. You know what I'm saying? So the same thing that's going on in the world is going on in the smaller world.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? The same
Uh-huh.
thing that's going on in the streets is going on in prison.
Okay.
Same thing.
Yeah. 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 That's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. I hear you, man. Anything else, man, that the people may want to hear about that we haven't talked about?
Yeah, man. Number one is that, man, if somebody got a loved one that's incarcerated, man, they now is the time that they need their support more than anything.
Okay.
Because like we alluded to earlier, that might be the only thing that keep them focused on coming home and knowing they got something to come home to.
Yeah.
Because when somebody already in a situation like that and feel like they don't have anybody to care about them,
Yeah.
then that's gonna make them spiral out of control make a bad situation worse.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
support your loved ones that's incarcerated.
Yeah.
And you know what I'm saying? I always keep them inspired and let them know that they got something to look forward to.
Absolutely. Absolutely, my dude. All right, bro. Hey, I think we can end this prison story segment on that right there, man. I think we got some good stuff. I think you know, people really enjoy this segment right here, man. Appreciate you doing it. Appreciate you being forthcoming and open,
Yeah,
bro. You know what I'm
yeah.
saying? Yeah, you don't find that out of many people that have left the joint. You know, I don't know if you know, but my old man was locked up. Like
What?
a year,
Oh,
he did
oh,
a year and a half
no
in
boy,
prison.
no boy been locked up.
He told us the story. He got he got into a quarrel with some partners, and they went and robbed the store. They went and robbed the liquor store. He didn't know what was going on. He got a year and a half, and you know, he never talked about it though, ever.
I know one thing. You gonna make sure that didn't happen to y'all.
You already know, right? That boy, that was hard on us. You know what I'm saying?
I know sometimes he'll see us in the yard. He be like, "Hey, you and Chuck, y'all coming out. Y'all got to go do this. Find something for y'all to do." So
Always finding something, man. We done did everything. He finds something for us to do. Just to keep his foot on our neck, man.
yeah,
And you know, I find myself doing that with my son. I'm not as hard as my dad was because I try to I'm conscious of that and I try not to be,
yeah,
but I'm still hard in my own way. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. But yeah, like I said, man, I you know, we all been there, like, and could have been there. You know, it
yeah.
could have been worse. You know, like,
Oh yeah,
so you know, there's no judgment here, and I hope people look at this and with an open mind and that type of thing. You know what I'm saying? Because you know, it could be they loved ones, it could be anybody. You know, and we all trying to do the best we can. You know. How we can, how we know how, you know what I'm saying? Uh, but uh, you know, this was great, man, and I've been looking forward to it. And
yeah,
you know, people I've been talking to say, "Oh, I can't wait to watch that" and stuff like that. And so, you know, I appreciate you, bro.
yeah. Appreciate you, man.
You
We're
making
gonna be in contact.
already, like you making a good life for yourself too.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to.
Absolutely, man. Keep it up, man. Proud of you, bro.
Thank you.
Yep.